Hi everyone, I'm Baz, this is Sharpen, and today I'm sharpening a Japanese Nakiri. It's a beautiful knife, purchased in Japan, but the edge is very chipped, so I'm going to have to take it over to the sander behind you and take that edge down, only down as far as the bottom of the chips, so not too far. And yes, it'll probably change its character a little bit, not worth thinning, and I'll give it a new edge and it should be good as new. So if you want to watch that, hang around. If you like this sort of thing, don't forget to hit the like button. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, that's done, minimal, and now it looks much better. I took hardly anything off. Let's pop it in the clamp. Measure the angle. I'll probably choose 28 degrees, which is 14 degrees per side. Pop that on there so that everyone can know at a glance what's going on. Lock it all up. And because I've flattened that edge, I'm going to start off on the coarse setting. 80 grit times 3 is 240 on the wheel. Tilting it slightly so that I can catch some of that curve. Moving slowly and steadily, no rapid movements, no rotating of the knife, keeping it nice and standard. No burr yet. I can tell that it's a hard steel because it's taking a lot of grinding to get a decent bevel on there, plus it's smoothed out my wheel. Normally I would have to use the 320 to get this smooth, but this is like self-smoothing. Still no burr. That's dead smooth now. So I'm going to raise those grains a little bit more with my 80 grit. Don't need too much, they don't have to last forever. Just raising those grains gives you a coarse wheel for, you know, a few strokes. Now we're starting to get a burr. Halfway, not all the way. Now it's all the way. One more on this side. Nice. Check it for evenness using my engineering eye. Looks beautiful. Perfect. Good heels. Great tip. Maybe a little bit more on this side. And you can hear how smooth that is now. A lot of the major crunching has gone, and the crunching is the impact noise of the raised grains hitting the edge. So that is as smooth as a smooth thing. But just to be on the safe side, I'll give it a quick touch on the 320. Because I don't actually want it to be super smooth. I want it to be exactly 320, or times 3 is 960, or, you know, a cheeky 1000. And you can hear just a few of those raised grains now. Not too bad. That's all it needs. Beautiful. So now onto the honing wheel, using the Veritas chrome oxide compound bar. Always burr side up. We want to polish the back of the burr to weaken the burr, and then we'll attack it in a minute. Again, minimum passes, slightly elevated from the bevel angle. That's enough. On this side. I can feel a little bit of pull, which means I'm right on that bevel. Let's test it. I can still feel some roughness. So one more double pass. I think that'll be it. A lot of people overhone, and by a lot of people I mean me. I used to overhone, but I see others doing it as well. You don't have to hone too long. Only the bare minimum to remove that burr. That is glassy smooth now. Not one single bump left, so that's all that was needed. And if you look carefully, you'll notice that little shiny edge, little micro edge. See it there? That's from the honing process. Where's Chili? There he is. Chili! So now, over onto the suede side, just for a few light passes. And let's test. Perfect. That needs nothing else. Great job. Beautiful knife. all done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.